Dala-dala natin tong laruan ni Jacob. Naiwan niya sa bahay. Itong number 2 or number 5 na robot niya. Look, I got something for you.
Wow, thanks.
Here. You're welcome.
Hold on, wait. Adam, look.
Okay. 3, 2. Gandang hapon, Ari nga pala. Nag-start na ako nag-vlog kanina habang kausap ko yung boyfriend ko, kaso lang hindi naman ako nag-intro. Ay, ano to? Ang daming yung himulmul. Totoo ba? Pangat naman pala ng tela nito. Ito nga pala yung pasalubong ko from Philippines. Bigay ni Mama. Nilabhan ko siya kahapon. Kaso lang yung tela niya ay puno ng something. Tsaka ako na lang tatanggalin yung mga himulmul niya pag gagamitin ko na. Otherwise, I guess fold it. Masyadong mahaba. Ito na lang yung mga mga natirang labahan ko. Ay! Meron pala akong ang ba tawag dito? Kumot pa. Kumot. Kaya nga pa ako nag-aayos-ayos dito. Kasi chinarge ko kayo, kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-intro din. I guess sorry ko kay Grace. Higher. I'm so happy with my pintuan. Okay na siya. And in all fairness, nung naayos yung bisagra niya, hindi na ako nahirapang i-sarado siya every time na sinasarado ko siya. Hindi na ako nahirapang isarado siya every time na isasarado ko siya. Yeah, makes sense. Hindi ko alam minsan kung nag-make sense ako. Kahapon, my dad was waiting for his package and napatingin siya dito sa daan namin. Diba, nung nakarang linggo ay nag-snowstorm. Ngayon naman, nagbabahan na sa harapan namin. And pati naman sa mga kapitbahay, hindi makadaan yung mga natunaw na snow doon sa butas sa manhole. Kaya, yun. Baha sa labas. Look at that. You see that? Anyways. Binuksan ko lang tong pintana kasi wala akong mapagpatungan sa inyo, guys. I need to transfer. And wala akong magawa. Malinis na yung bahay. And malinis na yung pipad. Hindi ko lang nag-check yung rice. But yep. All my stuff nagawa ko na yesterday. Except to edit. Dala-dala natin tong laruan ni Jacob. Naiwan niya sa bahay. Itong number 2 or number 5 na robot niya. Look at the road. Hindi ko dala-dala yung camera ko kasi naglilipat pa ako. Nag-transfer pa ako. O diba? Ang ingi-ingi nung bell ko dito. Yan. Ang kending-kending ko. Nahihilo ako nakatingin sa camera ko. Baha. Ito hindi ganong baha. Let's go. Let's tawid-tawid. Kling, 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 kling. Ililipat ko yata itong bell ko sa bag. Ay! Kila Chris pa ang baha. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura ni Jacob makita yung laruan niya. Doorbell tayo. Hi!
Hindi ba nag-work? Hi! Hindi nag-work?
Bukas na ba yung neto?
I can't open it.
Bukas na yung sa taas?
Can you open it? Oo, nakabukas na.
Oh, okay. Sige.
Can you unlock the door, my love? It's just Nina. Can you unlock the door for Nina, please?
I got something for you.
I will take your Ata away.
I got something for you. Dida, I got something for you.
Oh, Nina has something for you. Open the door. Nina has something for you. Hindi ba nag-work yung lock, ate? Nandiyan na ba siya?
Oh, nandito na siya. Look, I got something for you.
Wow. Hey.
Here. You're welcome. Adam. Who are you looking at? Who are you looking at? You're looking at Kuya? You're looking at Kuya? Ha, Adam boy? Isa. Nakatingin lang. Kuya, he's looking at you. Kuya.
It's not okay.
You drop his... You drop your ano. Hey, Kuya, what's that? Look at him. Kuya, what's that? Kuya Barrow.
No, it's not working.
I don't know. Why did you stop? Okay, okay. Wait, Adam boy. It's like that.
It's falling.
It's like that. You can't fix it. See? Oh.
No, not like that. I just want to be like.
Oh, Adam is not happy. See? You woke him up. Kasi kanina. Oh, yeah. Someone's giving me haircut.
I might ask for your help. Meron ko bang mga... Yung to, compare mo to upuan na to?
Giving me the.
Are you done? Compare mo to upuan na to?
Ah,
Ay, hindi yung mga to.
Wait for me.
Okay?
bakit?
Mas maganda yun.
Bumili ka na naman another, ano?
Okay, that's it, Nina. I don't want the video anymore.
Okay, cut my hair.
Oh, cut the hair. Let me see. How do you cut it? Oh. Oh.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yun lang.
You done?
You're done. I love the hair.
Let's see. Oh, oh, wow. So messy.
But this bug, I'll cut that.
Okay, okay, okay.
What color are you gonna give Nina? Hair. What hair?
What ka?
Red.
Red again? Oh. Ow, ow.
It's for cutting.
Oh, it's for
Cutting.
Kalimutan ko i-uwi nung Ate Nia gave her
Okay, thank you. Ow.
Nice. Thank you, Ate Mia. And then you stand here. Okay. I'll take a picture of you. You do nice smile, okay? Okay, ready?
Okay, let's sing.
A smile. We're singing.
Jay, guys, Ken, look up here.
Okay. Smile.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's okay,
Alright.
Oh no, Adam, you're okay. Oh yeah. Hold on, wait. Adam, look.
Okay. 3, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ken. Happy birthday to you. Oh, Tito Ken first. Oh, you too. You ready?
Adam, turn. Okay, Jacob, turn first.
Pipicturean pa sila?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy birthday, Jacob.
Okay.
Yay! What about Adam? Adam, you get a turn? No? Aww. What about Tito Loris? Tito Loris, get a turn? Yes?